Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is digital nomad jobs. Basically, the whole point about digital nomads is people with a laptop and internet connection. You can work wherever you are in the world. You can work on projects for clients who are thousands of miles away from you, and basically that frees up your time to explore all of these different locations. For example, if you like to travel, you can explore different countries, you can explore different cultures while still working for your own salary on your own terms in your own language wherever you are located in the world. Basically, you can work on these websites and find local clients in those countries who are willing to work with you on these digital nomad platforms, or you can work, for example, for American companies and American jobs while, for example, being located in, let's say, Israel or let's say Russia or China. Wherever you are located in the world, you can work for these companies remotely. What's different about these remote locations and about these digital nomad positions than, for example, these companies who are finding designers on platforms like Upwork, for example, is the whole point about digital nomads is they understand and want to hire freelancers who are working remotely. That's the whole point of their business, because they don't want to be tied to a specific designer, specific location, specific time zone, for example, and stuff like that. You can find work for these digital nomads on sites like Working Nomads, Digital Nomad OK, and Remote Jobs OK, and I will link the links to all of these websites down in the description below. Make sure to check them out. So if you're interested in jobs in working for these digital nomads, make sure to check them out, because this can really free up your time, because you're not tied to a specific time zone, specific client and specific company. You can work for all of these different companies on these different websites, and you're not even tied to a specific website. You can explore different websites, different offers, different job roles and different job positions. By working anywhere in the world, all you need is a laptop and an internet connection, because once again, these digital nomads really encourage this type of behavior and this type of work relationship, because they don't want to be tied to you and you don't want to be tied to them as well. So once again, digital nomads are a great way for you to make money as a designer if you're passionate about travel, if you're passionate about working from anywhere in the world for all of these different worldwide companies. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.